Okay, this is the room tour of room 312 at the Hampton Inn Suites in, it's considered Oakdale, Minnesota, which is basically near Woodbury, east of St. Paul. We have our individual picture. We have an alarm clock. This is a very new property. We asked the guy at the front desk and he said it opened in November, so it's about 8 months old. We really like it. It's really cool. You can see by the pictures that I took of the lobby, there's all these really cool pops of color and stuff. Okay, so again though, we have the weird door on a rail that we've seen several times now with the big mirror. And the bathroom is pretty typical. Got some hooks here. It's got this cool wallpaper. That's kind of neat. Curved shower rod, tub shower combo. Neat pop of color in that painting over the toilet. And it's got the pull-out little drawer thingies. They're actually more like a shelf than anything here. And the typical Hilton property Neutrogena products. There's this cool, like kind of lime green framed mirror. And this one has the hairdryer. I like that they have big, lots of counter space, another little shelf up there, and a nightlight. Okay, this one's kind of cool. It's got hard floor here, but then carpet the rest of the room, which makes me happy. And then the closet is the other half of this door. We have 2 queen beds, and I like this one because it's just gray walls and the white beds, but they give us this really cool, there's cool artwork and color like everywhere in this hotel. Cool pictures of old sewing machines with these lime green frames again. We got a haul of goodies for being Hilton Honors silver level members. They gave us all the treats and stuff and water that we wanted. This thing is interesting. I think that's for, it's like a hanger, like to hang a suit on. Like for your suit jacket and then for your pants. And we have the big luggage because we are headed on a cruise. We've got ice bucket. There's the rolly ottoman things. These are kind of a maroon faux leather. There's 2 of them. And this is different. This is, I was saying for a while there, all the Hamptons had kind of the same furnishings, and it's the same setup, but these are white and brown. Huge screen TV. This TV is enormous. We've got a microwave, coffee maker, those rack type drawers again in here. They pull out. And over here is a mini fridge with, I'm sure, nothing in it. Yeah, there's nothing in it. And then the desk, which we've seen, with a huge mirror over it. And a nice lamp. And as I've been noticing more and more, they've got plugs here, but there's no, oh yeah, there's one USB right here. And I think they'll have it on the other side. Yep, most of the Hamptons now I've seen have them on both sides. And then we just really like this color stuff around the window. We just think that's cool, and the curtain's really neat. The view is nothing to write home about. Like office buildings. I think that's a daycare next door. And the roof. And these headboards are really cool. They're like circuit boards, like on a computer. And we just thought that the artwork they had like in the hallways and down in the lobby and the breakfast area were really cool. Now this is a little different. They've got individual bedside lamps, but there's no, oh yeah, there is. Here's more plugs and USB right there. But this one is just this. There's no pull-out shelf, no drawer. But there's an alarm clock and a phone. And yeah, that's about it. So this is Hampton Inn, Oakdale, Minnesota. There's a Hilton Garden Inn right next door, which also looks pretty new, but this I think is even newer. So thanks for joining me, guys. Safe travels.